मैं चलता हूँ बाबर भट्ट साहब की तरफ। बाबर भट्ट साहब, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाह।
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Shams bhai, I think the show's in English. I'm so sorry, guys. You wanna hear a lot of noise here? There's a lot of things going on here. I'm not home. Actually, my I do not have access to my Wi-Fi, and they're doing renovations here, so it's gonna be a lot of disturbance. But I try my best to make it if I can. I'm on my data, and data is really slow. Today's a weekday here, Monday noon. It's really busy here, a lot of machines around me. So noise is gonna be on and off. Hope everybody will bear it. I see my sister here. I see Dr. Samar Rizvi. Thank you so much to the panelists and the viewers. Could I know what is this today's show all about? Is it like last night we had a conversation that there's a video that is repeat by Qadianis, and they got caught.
Yeah,
Sorry.
exactly. We have
Yeah.
been discussing the same video and we will play it shortly. We have discussed it in English for the sake of convenience of those people who could not understand Urdu, so that all the people and all the Christian people, the people belonging to the Christian community living abroad, they may come to know how Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani has deliberately uttered such derogatory remarks for Jesus Christ, and how Mr. Yahya, the spokesperson of the community, has himself admitted that the personality that has been discussed at volume 18 is the same. Is the same Jesus Christ, Isa ibn Maryam, who has been considered to be a very holy prophet by the Muslim community and Lord or God by the Christians even. So we will play the video shortly, and then we will have other comments from other people.
Thanks a lot, sister. Yes, I did watch that video again. I recall that I watched the video a couple of weeks before, and a lot of things went unnoticed. And then probably Shams bhai, he had never watched the video, and second time in a repeat show, when he watched it, and they got trapped. They got trapped. It is Shams bhai. It would never leave anything unnoticed.
Exactly, this has happened.
Yeah, so I really salute brother Shams bhai. It's gonna be a lot of noise, as I told you. There are a lot of machines working around me. But the thing is, like you just said, sister, if I heard it correct, after 130 years, Shams bhai revealed that Yuse Asif is not Jesus. They are two different individuals. Yuse Asif and Jesus are two different individuals. And just after 2 years, sorry, you can go ahead, sister, if you want to say something.
No, please proceed.
Oh, okay.
I'm just endorsing
somebody.
your point.
Okay, thank you. And second, just after 2 years, what he revealed, his real cousin, if I'm not wrong, is his immediate relative. He is probably his maternal cousin. What's the name of the guy? Dr. Yahya. He revealed a very interesting fact that Jesus and Yesu, they are same person, same individual. They are not different individuals. What happens actually, I watched this video last night again. Ziar Rasul, brother Ziar Rasul, when he enters the stream, just before that, Dr. Yahya, he claims that all his life has been working for his belief, and he concludes that all those blames that were put on other prophets, in the same way they were put on Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, and he can prove it from the Holy Quran. And as soon as Ziar Rasul bhai enters the stream, I see a stampede in there. Like they get so confused and they want to kick him out. They want to find any possible excuse. First, they say, they just try playing around with him. They say, okay, you gotta say those words, we use extra words like we call Azur sallallahu alaihi wasallam and those other words. And he says, no, I won't because it hurts me. Well, the discussion goes on. And finally, Brother Zia Rasool makes really a smart move when he says, okay, you guys can do that. I'll just call him Sahib. And when you guys use those extra words, I'll just, okay, I'm sorry for interruption. Just take him. Okay, and then I'll just put fingers into my ears. Now they do not have any possible excuse to remove him from the stream. And then Dr. Yahya steps forward and he says, okay, let him move ahead and let him ask the questions. The discussion starts. Jariullah still wanna actually terminate the discussion, but Zia Rasool cuts him off. He says, no, I'm talking to Dr. Yahya. Let the discussions move on. Then Zia Rasool Bhai is so determined, he just don't get kicked out from the stream. And he keeps arguing with Dr. Yahya. Dr. Yahya, at a certain point, he knows that he's going to a dead-end street. He's going to be stuck in here. Give me a second. My little one is actually... Go inside, please. Go inside. Okay, then there isn't any loop. I'm so sorry.
He was saying, okay, please mute his mic and don't let him say anything.
Oh yeah, my little one is just 4.5 years old. Anyways, so the discussion goes on, and it's not like Dr. Yahya, he did it on purpose. He didn't do it unintentionally. He knew that he's going to a dead-end street and he will get stuck there. Because when Zia Rasool Bhai, he asked him a question. Is Jesus and Yesu, are they two different persons or a same individual? And then he admits it. He says it's the same individual because he knows it very well that Zia Rasool has a reference handy, and he will put a reference on the screen. Mirza Ghulam Ahmad admitted in his writings that Jesus Christ and Yesu, they are the same names for single individual. He probably wants to terminate the discussion. He wants to get out of this, get rid of this guy, this gentleman, Zia Rasool. So right away he admits that yes, he is the same individual. So we have been trying to make them understand, to tell them for 130 years that Jesus, Yesu, Yuse Asam, Mirza Ghulam Ahmad even admitted in his writings that he is the same individual. Anyways, I appreciate for speaking the truth, and it's the same family. They have truth somewhere hidden in their genes, in their blood. I appreciate, first of all, Brother Shamsuddin, and he is a member of the same family. So we believe Dr. Yahya is a well-educated, highly qualified person. He will return to Islam later or sooner. So that's all about it. I'm really sorry for inconvenience it may cause. There is a lot of machinery going around here. They are moving trucks and bulldozers, everything, and they're doing renovations. Thank you so much for granting me that time. Shams bhai sahab, मैं बड़ी माजरत चाहता हूँ. I just want to explain in Urdu for 1 minute. 1 मिनट के लिए मैं उर्दू में भी बता दूं. हमारे बहुत सारे दोस्त जो हैं वो इंग्लिश नहीं समझते, तो 1 मिनट मैं लूंगा. मैंने सैल्यूट किया है, सलाम पेश किया है शम्स भाई साहब को, और इनके जो खाला के बेटे हैं डॉक्टर यह्या साहब को. शम्स भाई साहब ने 130 साल बाद इन्हें बताया कि यूज़े आसिफ एक मुख्तलिफ फर्द है, और हजरत ईसा मुख्तलिफ हैं, और इसी खानदान के एक चश्मो चिराग इनके खाला के बेटे डॉक्टर यहिया साहब ने 2 साल बाद यानी 132 साल बाद ये मान लिया कि यसू और ईसा एक ही शख्स के नाम हैं। अगरचे हम बहुत कोशिश करते रहे इनको समझाने की, लेकिन ये ना माने। तो शम्सुद्दीन भाई की जो रिसर्च थी वो इतनी सॉलिड थी कि आज तक ये उनका चैलेंज नहीं तोड़ सके, और जो कुछ उनके मुंह से उगला गया वो कोई गैर इरादी तौर पे नहीं था। वो एक ऐसी गली में फंस रहे थे जहां से निकलने का कोई रास्ता नहीं था। ही कुड नॉट टर्न अराउंड, वो घूम भी नहीं सकते थे वहां से, वो डेड एंड स्ट्रीट थी।
खरबूजा को देख के खरबूजा रंग पकड़ता है ना, बिकॉज बोथ आर कजन। तो एक जो है, अगर उन्होंने एक मार्का मारा था तो डेफिनेटली दूसरे ने कुछ ना कुछ तो करना था। सो वी आर सपोज्ड टू सल्यूट बोथ।
I did actually. I did. I really appreciated both of them. They are the same family. जैसा कि like I just said कि they have the same genes, same blood. और दोनों में कहीं ना कहीं शम्स भाई तो माशाल्लाह वहां से आ गए, और ये बार बार यही कहते हैं कि इनसे झूठ नहीं बोला जाता। तो हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि उनके भी लाशऊर में कहीं ना कहीं सच छुपा हुआ है। ये एक ही फैमिली है, एक ही तरह का खून है, एक ही तरह के जीन्स हैं, और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि इंशाल्लाह लेटर और सूनर जल्द या बदेर डॉक्टर यहिया साहब भी इस्लाम की तरफ आएंगे और उन्हें आना होगा। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सबके लिए।